In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create delivery note in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know how to set up your delivery note preferences and generate a clean, professional note from a paid invoice that you can print or download as a PDF. First, sign in and head to your Zoho Books homepage. From here, we'll start by preparing your delivery note settings so the document contains exactly what your team and your customers need. Look for the settings gear icon and open your account settings. Inside settings, go to the sales section. This is where Zoho Books groups preferences for documents like invoices, estimates, and delivery notes. Open the delivery notes preferences. You'll see options that control what appears on the delivery note and how it looks. Take a moment to review these fields. Make sure the document title and numbering format makes sense for your workflow, and confirm that the right address blocks are enabled, especially the shipping address if you use separate billing and shipping details. Check the item table to ensure it shows the essential information for handovers, like item name, SKU, quantity, and any notes your warehouse or drivers rely on. If your process needs space for a recipient acknowledgement, enable customer notes or a signature section if available in your template. Also verify dates, reference numbers, and any custom fields you use for packaging, lot numbers, or delivery instructions. The goal here is clarity at the point of delivery. The recipient should see exactly what's being handed over, without pricing details that belong only on the invoice. Once everything looks right, save your changes. Saving locks in these preferences so every delivery note you generate follows the same consistent layout. That consistency helps avoid mistakes and speeds up handovers for your operations and customers. Now let's generate the document. Navigate back to your list of invoices. You can use the main navigation to open invoices. Locate the invoice you want to deliver. For this workflow, pick one that's marked paid. Opening a paid invoice ensures you're issuing a delivery note for something that's cleared and ready to ship or hand over. With the invoice open, look for the PDF or print dropdown. This menu gives you different output formats for the invoice and related documents. Choose Print Delivery Note. Zoho Books will create a delivery note based on the preferences you just set. Take a quick look at the preview to confirm that the customer details, shipping address, and item quantities are accurate, and that no pricing is displayed. If your template includes a space for a receiver's signature or stamp, make sure it appears where you expect. If you plan to hand a paper copy to your courier or customer, go ahead and print from this screen using your printer's settings. For a digital copy, click Download to save the delivery note as a PDF. A soft copy is useful if you want to email it, attach it to a shipment tracking record, or store it with your internal delivery logs. That's the full process. Configure your delivery note preferences once, save them, open a paid invoice, and print or download the delivery note. A couple of practical tips as you start using this. Test your settings with a sample invoice before a live delivery so you can confirm the layout and fields in the real-world context of your packing process. If your team uses barcodes or item codes to scan at dispatch, make sure those appear on the document. And if you work with international shipments or carriers that require specific wording, add that language to your default notes so it appears automatically on every delivery note. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps the next time you fulfill an order, and you'll have a clear, professional delivery note ready in just a few clicks.